To change your account to trade options, start by opening the Robinhood app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the three-line menu at the top, which will open a new menu page. Tap on the investing option to access your investing portfolio and account details. Scroll down to find the Option Trading Disabled section, and click on Enable Option Trading. You will then be prompted to continue, and you can choose either the first or second option. The second option provides information on entering a spread, but if you're already familiar with the process, you can simply select the first option. Next, you will be asked to provide information about your financial situation and other relevant details. So be sure to enter this information correctly. After reviewing your input, click the Review button. Then agree to the option agreement by clicking the Agree button. If your account is approved for option trading, you will see a status update indicating that your application has been approved. If not, you will need to contact customer support. Once approved, you can click the Continue button to complete the process.